Good day, guys. This is a job I just finished now. So what we did here was actually the customer was complaining no sound. So when we come to get the system, we discovered that the Cyrus chip is very hot, which is the sound controller. The Cyrus chip is hot. So this is the Cyrus chip that was on the system, the one that was on the motherboard here. This is the Cyrus chip. So what we did was to remove it, clean the surface, picked one from our donor board. This is where we picked it from. This is where we remove it from, and clean the chip and did a very careful fixing. So we fixed it, powered it on without the screen and every part of the system to see if there will be any hotness from the motherboard, but nothing. The system is not hot. The series chip is not hot. So what we did is to power it on now after it to check if the sound has been rectified. It's just a simple work to do. Remove the chip. Anything that has to do with sound on MacBook 1502, mainly the controller are Cyrus. This is the chip from the schematic there from the board view. This is where it's located. U6201. U6201 is Cyrus chip responsible for sound. Let's see, when you click on the chip on your board view, you see here PP3 SO audio. You see ground audio. So it has to do with anything about this chip is all about sound. So whenever you have any issues on sound on 1502, 2014, this series of Mac that I just removed it from, anything that has to do with all this MacBook, you just have to go and check this Cyrus. These are the chip that is responsible for sound, and also there are some power issues that are also related to this. Also, there are some power issues on MacBook that whenever you want to power your system, there is no power. You try to plug the charger, no power. Sometimes the sound controller also triggers to power because it also helps to distribute 5 volts, 3 volts. So all these voltage are very, very necessary on the motherboard. So whenever they have any alteration on them, automatically is affected. So now let's check for sound to see if we have solved the problem on the sound aspect. Normally what we use here is YouTube. We use YouTube to checkmate what we did, because that's where we can get any sound of our choice if the customer has no sound or music on the system. Okay, let's use this. Okay, you can hear clearly, we have sound. You can check it. You can hear clearly. There is sound on the system now.